Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I will show you how to create branches and how can we switch between branches. So the main use of branches is the developers can work on different modules in different branches, so the code conflict will not happen. So let's see how to create a branch and how can we switch between branches. So first I'm initializing git. So git init. So now I initialize the git and I have a branch called master. If you see at the top, this is the master. Then I'm creating a file patch next.html. So now I have one file in master branch. So I'm going to track the git add git commit -m. So master. Now I committed. So now I'm going to create new branch. So git checkout -b, the branch name is local. So I created a new branch called local. Now I'm in local branch. If you see here, local. So if you type git branch, see we have two branches, local and master. So now I'm going to something written. I'm going to write something on local. So I'm going to create one more file branch contact.html. So git status. I'm going to track again. It's contact.html. So git add dot git commit -m local. If we visit git status, we tracked everything. So now I want to switch between local to master and master to local. So git checkout master. See, now I'm in master branch. If I want to move to local, again same git checkout local. Now I'm in local branch. Thank you guys and thanks for watching, and hope you like the video, and please subscribe to Make Easy.